Many years ago, when I was starting Your Seller, I got this comment from a client which said, "Why are we spending ad money after showing up on searches that include our brand name?" And at that point in time, I had absolutely no answer. But this time around, I actually do. My name is Shaival. I am the co-founder of Your Seller. We are a verified Amazon Ads partner, and we help sellers build a sustainable and a profitable business on Amazon. So bidding on keywords and paying for ads for terms that include your brand name is a strategy that a lot of mature brands already use. It's basically called as defending your own brand. But the question arises, why is there a need in the first place to defend your brand on Amazon? In order to understand this better, let's take a live example so it will make things easier. And stick around till the end because I'm going to show exactly how to defend your brand for absolutely free too. So we manage this brand called Rosy Soil. They sell indoor potting soil mix for plants. Let's try searching for something basic, say Rosy Soil to begin with. As you can see, there is some other brand that is showing up in the banner ads as well as in the video ad. Now this is especially not good because think about it. If you are a loyal customer and you are searching for your brand, and if you happen to see some other brand and you might want to click on it and explore and see for yourself if it's a good fit, this is not ideal, and we try to ensure that something like this doesn't happen. That's why the need for setting up and running defense campaigns. Let's do another search for, say, something specific, which is Rosy Soil potting mix. As you can see, there are banner ads, product ads, as well as video ad that show up for our own brand. So the team here is doing a good job of defending this keyword. Now, defense campaigns can also be run at a product level. Let's look at this product and show exactly where those ads would show up. As you scroll down the product page, right where it says products related to this item is where the ads would show up. Now there are other brands that also show up here, but we have a couple of placements, and I think we are happy with those considering the fact that we only have 5 ASINs to work with. Now again, the primary reason for running these kind of campaigns is so that customers who are loyal to your brand continue to be loyal, and you do not want them to look at any other brand or any other product and change their buying decision. This is exactly where these kind of defense campaigns make a lot of sense. To set this up is extremely easy. There's basically no other type of defense campaign. It's just another sponsored product campaign. Like I said earlier, you can run 2 types of defense campaigns based on keywords and products. Under product targeting campaigns, you basically just go in and add all the ASINs in your brand portfolio. And under keywords, you basically identify keywords that people normally search for around your brand name and then add them into an exact match. But make sure that you name your campaigns correctly so that you can track them and optimize them at a later date. Now that the basics are over, here is the party trick that you were waiting for. Now you can also defend your brand for literally no cost. Yes, Amazon allows you to do that. It is basically through the comparison chart module in A+ content section. So let's take a look at this product again. You can basically go in and add multiple ASINs to this chart. What this means is that when customers scroll through your product page and right before the section they might see other brands' products, you have the ability to show your own ASINs. And the best part about this is if customers feel like buying one of your products, they can literally click on add to cart button from there itself. Now this is a game changer for brands, and again an excellent way of defending your products and your brand. So if you have not set these kind of campaigns for your brand, then I highly recommend that you do so. In my experience, we have been able to drive tremendous amount of value to the brands that we work with, not just in terms of protecting them or defending them, but generally across the board in maintaining a solid base to kind of build a sustainable business on Amazon. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, then do post a comment and subscribe to our channel for more such tips and tricks. I again hope you found this to be helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy selling.